Well, I came back from my appointment yesterday to a bit of a disaster. All of the cymbidiums on the top shelf had blown over onto the ground. Now, I had a quick look at them and I don't think there's any serious damage. I'll have a better look later on this morning. Some of them are going to need some media replaced. One of them was out of its pot completely. So I put them back on the bottom shelf where they're safe for now, and I will have to wire them on if they're going to go on the top shelf. And as somebody said, I think it was D, if they're wired on, then I can't pick them up to see how heavy they are, to see if they need watering. I'll just have to, I don't know, poke my finger in the media and make a judgment call, I suppose, based on how much rain we've had and when I last watered them, which I keep records of. But yeah, not all plans are perfect. You see there's quite a lot of media came out. Now a fair bit of that came off of the large one that was over potted. It's too high in the pot, so a lot of that loose has come off now. The one that was out of the pot has gone back in, but will need topping up because it's got like a gap down the side. I'm hoping none of the new growths were broken and the leaves weren't too badly damaged, because like I said, once a cymbidium leaf bends and gets a kink in it, you're stuck with that for the rest of that leaf's life. Anyway, we will have another think. I still want, a number of them on the top shelf, but they're going to have to be fixed on and that is a pretty permanent sort of thing until they come back in at the end of the summer. I didn't even realise it was that windy when I set off yesterday. Oh, my appointment was just to take blood. I did all the jokes. When I walked in, the lady had a red coat thing on, what you call them. So we started off by saying, "I'm sorry I didn't bring my cross and my garlic." She thought that was amusing. And then when she poked the needle in, "I see you're dressed for splatters." And then just as I got up to leave, I turned round and said, "Ow, sorry, I forgot at the appropriate time." Anyway, that's all it was for, so there's no update as such until the results of the blood come back, and at which point I'm sure I'll either have another phone call consultation or I'll have another appointment, but that won't be soon, I doubt. We'll have to wait a bit for that. So I got my third lot of tablets yesterday afternoon, and I take 2 in the morning. And I thought, well, if I stick that one, because that one's 1 a day, in with the other one, the one that is 2 a day, then I'll be taking 2 in the morning and 2 in the evening. So spread the load, as they say. Anyway, we will have another think on the cymbidiums. They've got to go on this top shelf. If they're going to take advantage of being outside, there's not a lot of point being tucked away. Plus a lot of them are so tall they're touching the shelf, so they've got to go on the top shelf and they can't be allowed to blow over in the wind. So think again.